Hey everyone, working in a restaurant can be a high-energy, fast-paced experience, but sometimes things don't go as planned. So, how do you handle food delays with grace and professionalism? Let's dive in. Step 1. Acknowledge and apologize. As soon as you notice a delay, approach the guest and say something like, "Hi guest, I wanted to let you know that your food is taking a bit longer than expected. I apologize for the delay." This simple acknowledgement shows that you're aware and care about their time. Step 2. Provide an estimated time. Give your guest an honest update like, "I estimate an additional 5-10 minutes for your order to be ready. I'll keep you updated." This sets clear expectations and keeps the guest informed. Alright, now let's talk follow-up. Every 5-7 minutes, check back in with the guest. A quick update like, "Hi guest, just wanted to update you on the status. We're working on getting your food out as soon as possible," goes a long way in showing your attentiveness. When the food is finally ready, deliver it with another apology. "Here's your food, guest. Again, I apologize for the delay. Enjoy your meal." This reinforces your commitment to their satisfaction. Now let's sprinkle in some additional gestures. Offer complimentary items like a dessert or drink. You could say, "As a token of apology, I'd like to offer you a complimentary dessert." Or, "I'd like to offer a 10 to 20% discount on your bill for the inconvenience." These gestures show you value their patronage. Remember these key phrases. "I apologize for the delay. We're working on it. Your patience is appreciated. I'll make sure it's worth the wait." Your tone and body language matter too. Use an empathetic tone, maintain a concerned but calm expression, and listen attentively. Show through your actions that you're dedicated to resolving the issue. To prevent future delays, keep a close eye on kitchen timing, communicate effectively with the kitchen staff, set realistic expectations for guests, and train your team on handling delays. If a delay exceeds 20 minutes, inform your manager or supervisor. Offer additional compensation or a resolution to ensure the guest leaves happy. By handling food delays promptly, transparently, and apologetically, you'll show your commitment to customer satisfaction and enhance the dining experience. Got more questions on customer service or conflict resolution? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy serving.